Keychains are one of the best products you could add to your laser business. In our previous business, we sold about 30 different styles of keychains that we decorated and customized on demand. Keychains as a group was one of our largest profit centers. In this video, I'm going to show you some very different styles of keychains that can be engraved that you might consider selling, along with costs and the estimated profit you can make for each. Also, if you want to source any of the keychain blanks I used, we'll include links in the description below. The first type of keychain I engraved was an anodized aluminum bottle opener. I used both our new fiber marking laser and one of our regular C02 lasers to engrave them. I engraved a design on these, but could have easily personalized them with a name or words instead. The nice thing about this type of keychain is that it's really fast and easy to engrave because of the anodized finish. The second keychain I made was really a tag that you might use for a pet, but with a little modification by adding a key ring, it also makes a great keychain. These tags come in different colors and a number of shapes. It's also anodized like the last keychain, so it's just as easy and fast to engrave. The next keychain I made was a stainless steel tag that I added a keyring to later. It's something you might not have thought about doing if you have a C02 laser, as this is probably better suited for fiber laser owners, but you can still do it with a CO2 laser. You just need to coat the metal with a marking spray before engraving. We'll provide links to some spray options in the description below. Regardless of the type of laser you use, the results are fairly similar. The next keychain is a very popular option for engraving. It's a completely finished wood keychain that only needs the engraving added. You can find keychains like this in a number of different shapes and sizes. If you decide to sell something like this, you might also consider adding some paint filling to really differentiate your version from competitors. Everybody and their brother are going to be selling keychains. The main advantages a laser owner has over the other options out there is the ability to not only engrave them with personalized messages and images, but the ability to create unique shapes. Anyone can sell a circle, square, or rectangle, but a laser gives you the option to go beyond these generic shapes. In this example, I used 1/8" black cast acrylic to cut and engrave this mushroom house. Quickly adding a jump ring and keyring later completed the keychain. For the last keychain, I used some 1/6" walnut wood that was first masked to protect the surface from any burning. Much like the last keychain I made, I used the laser to not only engrave this tree of life design, but to cut out the shape of the tree to make this a much more interesting keychain. The application tape was peeled away to reveal the engraving in all its glory. All that was needed was a jump ring and keyring to finish it off. Now, I know somebody's going to say either you're not charging enough or you're charging too much, in reference to the $9.99 price we listed for all these examples. This price was just used for all the keychains so that the potential profit margin was a more apples-to-apples comparison. If you're personalizing any of these keychains, then I'm sure you can charge a heck of a lot more. If you offer designs or options nobody else has, then again, charge more. If you want to grab market share and or try to get larger volume orders, charge less. The point here is that keychains give you a lot of margin to work with and should be a part of your business.
Thanks for watching. There's a link in the description to join our Patreon for access to all the designs and files shown in our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more videos coming soon. Stay tuned.